In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for role-playing. This is useful if you want Claude to act as a specific expert, character, or professional during a conversation. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt that tells Claude what role to take. For example, I might type, "Act as a career coach and help me prepare for a job interview." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will now respond while taking on the role I described. From here, I can continue the conversation and ask questions related to that role. For example, I might ask, "What are common interview questions I should practice?" Claude will continue responding as a career coach, helping guide the conversation. I can also try other roles, such as a teacher, business consultant, writing editor, or coding mentor, depending on the help I need. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for role-playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.